the Igbos is going through today in Southeast is the same thing the Israel are going through in Middle East. Come hear wetin this our Benue brother talk. As that one dey happen Yoruba man don come outside come talk say that there is nothing like Yoruba, that the Yoruba as we see today was imposed on people. My people, things are really happening. Well, let us watch these videos before we come back and continue. As you dey watch, share and make sure you follow this page for more updates. Don't forget say you still there for Pump Info News. Here now it dey happen. My people, make sure say they follow us so now we still be Balabas G's.
What Israel are going through in Middle East is the same thing Igbos are going through in Nigeria. Now, before I tell you the reason why I make this claim in this video, there are a lot of you that did not know me very well, and I want to clear myself to you people who don't know me very well. A lot of you have followed me for long, but I no still understand what I stand for. Now, if I make video and you go to my comment section and comment me or send me inbox and start praising me, that one no mean say if you fuck up or your tribe fuck up or your religion fuck up, I no go call this group of people out. I will. You praising me does not mean you are my friend, or you go do something I go just overlook, or your tribe go do something I go overlook, or your religion go do something I go overlook. Nobody wey me I no go fit call out if I see say this person fuck up. Even if you dey give me money, your money wey you dey give me, which una no dey even give me, is not superior to my truth. I will always say the truth. There is a video I make calling Peter Obi out an article, how they don't mess up and all of that. And I receive a lot of attack from Igbo people. And for this reason, a lot of people went to my DM and start telling me, I tell you, Igbo people are not good. You like supporting them and all of that. Even say it on the comment section of that video, that Igbo people are bad and all of that. Now, one thing you should know is, I'm not supporting anybody. I'm not supporting Igbo. I'm not supporting Yoruba. I'm not supporting my own tribe. I'm just here to speak fact and truth. And those of you that always say Igbo people are not good and all of that, my question to you is your own tribe good? Tell me one tribe that is good in Nigeria. All tribe in Nigeria, none of them are good. All tribe in Nigeria, we are one way or the other the problem of this country. So let's stop pushing that energy of Igbos are not good people. That energy will go, you say Igbos are not good people. If we channel the energy, they come together and fight the bad and corrupt government if I don't solve the problem of this country. Now let me dive into the reason why I'm doing this video. As a Benue boy, I observe every tribe and waiting that they're capable of. And this is what I've observed about Igbo people when I studied. Now, do you know that in Middle East, Israel are the ones suffering more, and Israel are the one people blaming more for defending themselves. Israel are more intelligent among the old people in that Middle East. Israel are the #1 intelligent people. And what Israel represent in that place is fighting for their safety and freedom. What is the whole world doing? People who no get sense see Israel being the problem of Middle East, whereas Israel is the victim. But because he choose to defend and fight for himself, now see Israel as problem of Middle East, instead of seeing them as a victim, people that want to defend themselves, want to fight for their own liberty and freedom. But people did not see the angle of them being the victim. But because they retaliate, they keep fighting for their freedom because they don't want to allow their enemy to consume them. People start seeing them as the problem. The same thing go to Igbo people in Nigeria. I'm not an Igbo person, but without being sentiment and bias, out of all the tribe in Nigeria, the most smartest people are Igbos. You guys cannot take that credit from them. I know they hype them. Now facts. Yes, Yoruba are more educated, but Igbos are more smart when it comes to smartness than any tribe in Nigeria. When it comes to my own tribe, Middle Belt, we are into farming, agriculture now we sabi pass. So every tribe have their role they play in Nigeria. That is why we are not one people. We are different people because we get different kind of mentality for Nigeria. Igbos are the most smartest people in Nigeria. Our government and the whole world understood this. Even British understood this. That is why they will always push propaganda against Igbo. The freedom of Igbo is the freedom of individual tribe in Nigeria. I did not understand this before. I used to insult Igbo people too when they call division. But when I sit down, now I see say this is the angle this problem is coming from. The liberation of Igbo people is liberation of every other tribe in Nigeria. The British understand this. Nigerian government understand this. That is why they will pay and do everything to push propaganda against Igbo. That is why you see every tribe ganging up against Igbo people. Despite even them being the victim. Igbo are the China of Nigeria. Even before you dey hear those products of China, na Aba made with the ones here. Igbo are people that manufacture their own gun by themselves. Give Igbo man something to manufacture. He go do am. It may not look exact, but he go do am according to the money wey you give am. So stop pushing this agenda of, oh, Igbos are the problem. Every one of us are the problem. Me, I understand say the day wey Igbo go free, na that day individual tribe for Nigeria go free. British understand this. Government understand this. You as individual tribe, you no understand them. That is why you continue to see Igbo man as a problem. I not dispute this fact. Even some Igbos wey no smart, they among Igbos, wey they give Igbo bad name, that one is certain. Man, I don't dey talk too much for this video. But mind you, whether you are an Igbo person, Yoruba person, Hausa, Ibibi, name me. If you fuck up, I go call you out. You are not above my calling out. The day where I go pie, now I go shut up my mouth. Anyway, share your thought on the comment section responsibly, and for those that love to cry responsibly on the comment section. Thank you.
Let's hear your opinion and your thoughts on this thing that this our brother said. Drop your opinion in comment section. Now let us listen to wetin this Yoruba man talk concerning the Yoruba tribe.
Yoruba
tribes.
This one will surprise you. There is nothing like Yoruba. Nothing. It's just an occurrence. Up to this minute I'm talking to you, if you go down to the villages, if you call an elderly Ekiti man Yoruba, he will cut your neck with cutlass because you are insulting him. We have Ijesha, we have Ekiti, we have Ondo, we have Ikale. That's the way we existed. And for anybody to be talking of will Nigeria have been like this, no.
But these same Yorubas are the ones who are preaching to other ethnic groups or other brothers to Igbos, telling them that don't accept Igbo original. Tell them you are not Igbo. Despite that you speak Igbo. Despite that your name is Chukwuemeka. These same Yorubas are the one going about telling the Ikweres, telling the Ibankes, telling the Aliomas, telling the people or Igbo ethnic nationality or the people that speak Bia, telling them that the Igbos in Southeast are not your brothers. So it's like they want to do the same thing they do to the places they call Yoruba today to Igbo people. If it is an Igbo man that write this thing now, they will carry it. Yeah, Igbo with their propaganda. Nice. You are hearing it from the Yoruba man, Matt. You are hearing it from Yoruba man, Matt. Let us know what you think about this thing that this Yoruba man say also in comment section, and share the video and drop your own opinion. Guys, please make sure you are following us on TikTok. We are on TikTok. Make sure you are following us on you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be getting our updates back to back.